My people, morning again. Ever Slick Electronics, yeah. Right now I'm working on an amplifier, a PV amplifier, CS800, yeah. It have a lot of resistor burn inside the circuit, yeah. It have some resistor burn in the circuit, more than one on both sides. So I'm going through and through to get it to play, yeah. It have to play by now on this weekend, so it's gonna take a little time, but I have to pull it right up, take out all these circuit out of it, and go right through and through, check all the transistors, all the IC, everything, to get it up and running again. If not, could be have to build over back one side of it, because one side of it is burned bad, so I have to build back over one side, yeah. It have a big power fan here. This is the power supply. This is the transformer. Yeah. Okay. I guess it use about 18 output. Yeah, so. Okay. Look out for the next segment. The next time I see this amplifier, it will be playing. Alright? People, here it is again. Pull it apart. Yeah. Pull it up apart. Pull it right up. Yeah, so right now it's all about make sure the output section is good to go before fit up back. Give it a play out before fit it up back. Make sure it's alright. Yeah.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
How it sound? How it sound? How it sound?
Police in helicopter. I search him around. Policemen in the street, searching for Hollywood. Soldiers in the field, burning the Hollywood. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane field. Soldier in the herb field.
Yeah man, good to go, good to go. Ready for beat out now.
The herbs, we gonna burn down the cane field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down.